Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, keep up. Today, I come to you with a video about Yagmur Yuksel. All the details are in my video. If you like my video, I would be really happy if you press the like button and subscribe to my channel. You can support me further with clicking the join button down below. Thank you, and let's get into my video. Yagmur Yuksel made a remarkable event in his live broadcast on her social media account, talking about her relationship with her co-stars in the TV series Blood Flowers. Yuksel shared a detail that she should not have said. It was stated that she gave a spoiler about the upcoming episode of the series and therefore closed the broadcast early. While answering a question about the developments in the series during the live broadcast, Yagmur Yuksel stated that Yuksel will also join the series in their later episodes of the series. This statement sparked a wide debate among viewers and series enthusiasts as it revealed an unexpected surprise about the series. The spoilers given by Yagmur Yuksel during the live broadcast caused great excitement, especially among the viewers who follow the series. Yuksel joining the cast of the series was considered as a development that could increase the popularity of the series. This skit of Yagmur Yuksel in the live broadcast spread rapidly on social media platforms and started to be talked about by a wide range of users. On Twitter, Instagram, and other social media channels, users expressed their opinions on the subject by sharing and commenting on the broadcast in which Yagmur Yuksel gave spoilers. Thank you so much for watching my video. See you in the next video. Take care and goodbye.